I talk about facts, get your facts right. Remember see the old car at the stoplight. Pull up, clap right. Back flight, first nation outside and you can't hide.
Lion foot.
Yo, Lion foot.
Lion foot.
Now Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot TV to the fullest.
Lion Foot.
Best of the man self in a Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot to the world.
Lion Foot TV.
Oh, Lion Foot.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot TV.
Big up Lion Foot TV.
Lion Foot.
Lion Foot, you're so great, 'cause you're blessed by the Most High.
Blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. How is everything? Everything good? Good morning. Anyone that give thanks to life, give thanks, for another day, Be grateful for the little that you have and cherish each and every moment, because nobody knows what tomorrow may brings. Zine, saying that I just want to say condolence to the great Leonard Merciless Bartley once again. Zine, wake up this morning, January star, still up on my mind. So we have to be grateful for life, my viewers and subscribers, because today, day, tomorrow, you're gone. Nobody knows. See? So condolence to Merciless once more. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So this is another follow-up relating to Silk Boss and Jahshii. Now we see Don Pree jumping on it, and and the first we see Don Pree do something like this, and I buy out the war. But Don Pree, my J, you have a virgin, big up yourself. Big up Tef. Man, Don Pree, we got tune for tune, freestyle, Yes, in the studio, big up Tef, 2018. So big up Don Pree. Bad artist, you are shoot all thing glory just like me, same way, Yeah, so we see Don Pree run go answer Silk Boss. Jahshii we want to answer. Don Pree, big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself, my G. But Silk Boss we want Jahshii we want to answer. Silk Boss shoot at Jahshii and call name and the artwork and everything. Viewers and subscribers, tell me if you don't agree with me, I'm wrong. Sun is shining in the morning and this is 10 in the morning AM. See? So you know how dedicated and passionate we are for the clash. Lyrically, Zine. Now Silk Boss and Jahshii, them busting at the same era. Zine. So we don't say none no bigger than none. Maybe one, two of them busting at the said era and them do some good song. Zine. Jahshii been shading Silk Boss on social media and do song with Marian and strategy. So Silk Boss get fed up and clap, call Jahshii name. So me say, we see Don Pree go answer now my viewers and subscribers. And Jahshii me did want to say. So did Jahshii tell Don Pree for answer, Don Pree just run go answer. Because Don Pree that's the First Nation. So me say, big up again Don Pree, but I don't know, I run through the song same way Don Pree song, and viewers and subscribers let me know anything in the comment section. I don't know, as usual I go pause and stop and talk, and I don't know when I want to get no copyright strike around here. So I say, So anyway, we are getting it straight now. You see? Song and then check your facts, because I know Silk Boss your facts. Zine? Yes man, so let's get into it.
Now remember me have my own here glass of gold. A real gold up on my glass, I say you more think like swine, but it.
Hey, my glass already now, then dead.
And girl, you might talk to some. I'm the same girl, more things like swine.
Yeah, Silk Boss, I say, hey Silk Boss, have you talked to your empress, man?
I want to back him up. Where him name, grow and reach. Now I want to make him like him low pan weed. Now I hear him from a day like him a choke pan brick.
Where him name Rowan Weeks. Now I hear him from where they like him low pan weed. You see me? The man say my choke pan breed.
Watch him make kill off this hill monkey rifle. Me pick up the badness, you pick up beer, you pick up plate. When them there your country, you tie out go pick up shit.
Badness you pick up bait, you pick up late. When them there country, you tie up goat, I pick up something like pick up shit, something like so. Some of the clarity so far, we don't really hear, Yeah, but like you said, pick their country, I pick up goat, I pick up shit, something like so. Yeah.
How we had the badness, the whole protein now. Get the IQ-san, go for them, this and that. You know, bad look a pussy does settle down. And the fans, them a tell me for killer now. Do not remember go up on the rocky road.
You see your blood clot.
Well, get the IQ-san, not the location, and I'm like that. Get the IQ-san. go for them and the fans them must have to kill them now. Hey boy, don't me walk up on the rocky road. You see what I say?
What if I yes with your pussy mouth? And your girl have your secret and run it out.
Alright, so when Don Pree say walk up on the rocky road, you must have Silk Boss, you must have him live and a drive and I say, yo, rocky road and blah blah blah. The man say, Bree leak out in secret. You see me Silk Boss with him pussy mouth.
Fuck with trouble now. When you go Canada, the fans them say you lame. Touch a one girl on the stage, she a yell. Bree like your old on the corridor for stay. St. James badness here, me must be anyway, boy.
When you go to Canada, the people them say you flap him lame. Touch a one girl on the stage and, you know, Bree lock him out. Hey, still the Silk Boss and Bree now be a controversy between them, you know. But you know Silk Boss, and maybe Bree I'm first love. You see what I say? If that remind me of Queen and do it.
If we are turning our grave, we can remind them put more rum on place of a Phoenix game. That's not even safe. Regal clown and you're not even shame.
Big up the whole Portmore and the Phoenix, you know. Yeah man, you see what I say? Man say Silk Boss a real girl clown. You see what I say?
Michael still a fuck Bree same way. Another time of the out and a give you take.
Michael still a walk off Bree and that a mad him. Silk Boss, are you alone a rock Bree?
See me heart hurt me.
This a blood clot torture, never surgery. Jahshiifi kill you off and make you worse. Little nerd.
See there, this a blood clot and a surgery. Jahshiifi kill you. Don Pree attack him for me there, you see me? And that Don Pree say the Silk Boss, Jahshii give him the orders, you know.
This one even worth it. Climb them nursery. Your career thirsty before terror answer. Bree, you been a virgin. Kill it.
You rhyme them nursery. The man say lyrics him thirsty. Before Don Pree. Before Terror Dan. Big up Terror Dan. I know Terror Dan highlight bring Silk Boss to the forefront. You see me? Man say before Terror Dan answer Bree. You see me I say?
Mark no me no mercy. Columbia necktie hang him with a kerchief. Who no not chat facts, who no just a chat shit. Anyway me see you, you a get a casket.
Nah chat facts. Be a SHIT Silk Boss a chat. So no Silk Boss Silk Boss sing facts. Silk Boss chat some things, a bag of things and Blair say Dan backs down Jahshii and you know this and that and perhaps not and kiss up freaky gal and so Don Pree make you know say a shit thing they attack is not now him attack is not real, it not be a fabricated story.
Good up a bad flick, you feel up with badness. Low it, take fire, send you go to God quick. Oh, Dan for box, the Dan go check your facts quick.
Oh Dan for box the Dan go check your facts quick. You see what I say? Yeah, mad.
Money buy gun, we not do the boxing. Who know why your facts, then check your facts. We want everything where you have.
You want to check your facts and we own everything where you have. You see what I say? Dan a deal with box thing. Be a gun the money buy. And I mean say so, Dan Pree say so.
I bet say a she tell us if he class. I you go fuck with some youth when a regular. Medulla fly out of them youth, them tool ya bust out the head ruga. Make Cuba killer escape Uber. Some
Bumbo clean, head and feet. Switch up the floor there some man. Man say better say Bree tell us if he clash. You see what I say? And man changes pull it up again. Pull it up again my viewers and subscribers.
the head ruga. Make Cuba killer escape Uber. Who know why your facts, then check your facts. We want everything where you have. I bet say a she tell us if he clash. I you go fuck with some youth when a regular.
Yeah. Silk Boss can mess with some youth right now when a regular. Draw them out. Mad. But Jahshii we want to jump out man, not Don Pree.
Medulla fly out of them youth, them tool ya bust out the head ruga. Make Cuba killer escape Uber.
Fly out of them youth, bust Ruga, bust out the head, escape Uber. You see what I say? This remind me Uber really like chatter them long stick, loot and fire.
Girl clown them dead youth, woman of them and that's to see what them make out there. No call cream, send go call brief, we want it all freedom.
Boy, no call cream, me send go call brief, we want it all freak.
If we talk to him, bust him, I go keep him, make the war sweet and a voice now me, yes, I kill them off.
Yo, Don Pree, we don't lie. We like the flow, there, switch up the flow, you know.
I talk about facts, get the facts right. Remember see the old car at the stoplight, pull up, black price. Bad fly, first station.
talk about bar. Don't let me see a old car pull up at the stoplight. Bloop, bloop. Murder.
Outside and you can't hide. With them there, find them. Gasoline, light them. LM game 4 from me 9X.
Yes.
Them not frozen again, every ice melt, knife press, dissect, right where you type them. Pussy you not kill and we know how to hype them. Who back down a country no pre-bomb violence.
Who back down a country no pre-bomb violence, you know who hype them. You see what I say?
Country no pre-bomb violence. Dead off. Find them. How to look who silk man. Know yourself, youth.
Alright, reviewers and subscribers, that's the end of the song, the review. Sorry, we just listen to the song, so I kind of don't really catch some of the words, but I don't know a vlog on the gun and so I do it. Big up Don Pree. You go hard. I love where you deliver the song, but some of the words I never catch them, the clarity, not really. But I know say good, I go into the studio and just voice. And then like say you build this thing, you just go into the studio. Because I saw Don Pree working, a talented artist, bad artist, Don Pree. You see me I say? Yeah, so. But I know everything my viewers and subscribers, but me personally, I Jahshii for answer Silk Boss. Jahshii enough to run. And run from where like popcorn and answer man, because in idea, you know, bad, two talented artists right now, I say busting at the same time. Said error, you know. So Jahshii for just answer, make dance all nice and then make money and get booked for Sting or whatever if Sting will go on. You see me I say? And them just keep it lyrically. You see me I say, big up Don Pree same way. We know Don Pree crave for success right there. Want to break through like myself here. But I don't beat the time Don Pree. Just go and put in the work same way, brother. You see me I say, I like this song. As I said, some part of the words I couldn't hear them clarity wise. But yeah. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Saying, I don't know a lion foot with another vlog and let me know what you think. Saying, yeah man, big up. Jahshii, answer, Jahshii, answer, Jahshii, answer, Silk Boss. Right now, Silk Boss a lead. Yeah man. Set speed. I'm out. Not that the word out of my mouth.
Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I love nice figure, me bed hungry. We couldn't go to let you me shot a clown.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.